Hello, my friends. It's Sherry. How's everyone doing today? I just have a little quick thrifty video for you today. So this is my Thrifty Thursday, hashtag Thrifty Thursday video. And everyone's welcome to participate in this open collab. And just link my channel at Turquoise Dreaming in the description box. And don't forget to use the hashtag Thrifty Thursday. So yeah, I'm just so picky these days on what I bring home because I don't need to bring anything home, if you know what I mean. I've been thrifting for years now, and if you've seen my craft room, you know it's full of stuff. So I just am super picky about what I bring home. So I don't bring a lot home. I just try to really be aware and mindful about how and when I'm going to use it, what I'm going to use it for, things like that. So let me show you what I got. I went to Dollar General. I've been there a couple of times now. The first time I went, like last weekend, or like 2 weekends ago. They didn't have everything out yet. They still had a whole when I worked in retail, we called them U-boats. People call them different things. I know when I said that to someone, they're like, what's a U-boat? Yeah, it's the thing that they put all the boxes on with the wheels underneath. We call them U-boats. Anyway, so what I got, this time they did have I believe they had all of their Valentine this past weekend when I went, again, just to make sure of what they had. And they actually, it was really weird because I looked at all the Christmas clearance the week at the same Dollar General the week before, and this week I actually think they had more out there. Like it wasn't anywhere, because I looked for Christmas cards last week, and I couldn't find them, and they weren't where they were this week. So I don't know if I just missed them, but I didn't buy any. But I just wanted to see what they had left, because I just I love cards. So anyway, I did find them this week. There were a bunch there, but not any of the ones I wanted. If I would have found, like I had bought my Snoopy cards there at Dollar General, but they didn't have any Snoopy. So what I did find, and I really pay attention to at Dollar General, is the $1 thing. So it's amazing now that Dollar Tree's lowest price is $1.25. It always amazes me now that what you can get at Dollar General for $1. So I picked up these. I think I had seen these a week before, but I didn't get them because I just wanted to see all of what was available before I chose something to actually purchase. So anyway, they had two of these in red, 2 sets in red and 2 sets in pink at this one Dollar General, and it's a pretty good size new Dollar General, really nice Dollar General, and this is all they had. So I don't know if they're going to get very many more of these or what, but these are called, you see there's the $1, and these are called heart ornaments, and they're all separate little hearts. So like if you have, I'm going to use them with my journals, but if you have a heart, if you're having a Valentine, not heart, if you're having a Valentine tree, or creating a little Valentine tree in your house for Valentine's Day, I think that's getting more popular. These are ornaments, but wouldn't these be cute hanging off a journal? And they look like little, conversation hearts. And they even have these little beads on there. This red jute twine. I mean, a little bow and everything for $4. I thought that was decent. There's a little bit of glue right there. Extra glue. Let's see if I can get that off. Yeah, it's coming off. Yeah, I got it pretty much. Yeah, but I thought these would be really cute. And now I have 8 of them. See, this is You and Me, Amor, True Love, and Ooh La La. And I only saw 2 red sets, and I went ahead, $1 each, so, how could I go wrong, right? So, anyway, I thought this would be cute. I've already done my Valentine journals for this year, but I'll have them for next year. So, very cute. Wooded, they're wood, in case you were wondering. And I guess you can probably see about the size. So I thought those were really cute for a Valentine, to add to a Valentine tassel or whatever off the side of a journal. Or you could just have that by itself. You don't even have to add it to a tassel. It could just be that. So, and I also saw I believe this was also at, oh, that's the heart ornaments, that's off of that one. The tag for this is in here, and I saw this, I believe, at Dollar General too, and this was $1. I don't see, I think this was at Dollar General, I don't know. But I think this was $1 too. I wonder if this was at Goodwill. I don't know now where I got this. But these cute little bunnies, I thought these were super cute. They're actually stickers, felt stickers. And they each have two of each. There's 6 of them, and they each have 2 colors of each color. So 2 with the purple, you know, the ears and the little nose and mouth match. So purple, blue, and pink. I thought those were really cute. And they're stickers. I just thought that was the coolest thing. So, you know, I like to, you can use a sticker as a sticker. It has the white peel off piece on the back. Or you could use it as is and put the glue if you don't want glue all over it. And just put glue wherever you want it and use it as is with the white paper on the back. So, yeah, got those. And I was at Goodwill. And these were, what were they? 50% off or 75% off. And they had, I'm trying to think if they had a different color. I think all they had left was green bells. I think originally they had red and green bells, but I have a lot of smaller bells, blue, red, silver, green. And so at first I had picked up bells a little bit smaller than this, and I was like, you know, why don't I get these bigger bells? These are really cute. And I have a lot of small bells already, so I don't know why. I don't think I have a lot of green. I think that's why I was going for this small, you know, a little bit smaller, not really tiny or anything, but just a little bit smaller than this, green bells. But I thought, you know, I don't have any bells this size, Christmas bells. And I think I'm going to leave these out in case, like out of my Christmas stuff, in case I need a green bell during the year. I don't know, you know. I mean, I think they're really pretty, so. And there are, like I said, I think they're at least half price, so they were $1.59. So half price, you know, is really good for 20. There's 20 in each of these packages, so took advantage of that clearance, Christmas clearance. And then I had an opportunity to stop by my local Walmart here near my house, which is my favorite Walmart, and looked at all their Valentine stuff. And I got this little pack of, it's called a Party Favor Value Pack. And there were 3 different, I think there were 3 different styles of the notebooks and pen sets. So I got this one because of the notebooks. There was another one that I liked the pens better, but I like the notebooks best in here. So I went with this one. I want to cut this open and see what these little notebooks look like though. In here it's 24 pieces, so I assume there's 12 pens and 12 little paper pads here, note paper pads. But I thought these would be super cute. And who knows, maybe I'll go back and get more. I think this was $3.97. So if there's any left, if I get a chance and there's any after Valentine's Day and I find any of these on clearance, I certainly would like to pick up the other one where I liked the pens also. And who knows, maybe I'll just, you know, splurge and go and get the other one where I like the pens the best. But these are cute pens too, and they're all Valentine related, so I thought these would be fun. You've got this little pattern here with the little hearts, and they have little eyes, look like googly eyes on them. And then you've got this, you've got a bunch. Let's see, is there more of those? Okay, so there's, nope, here's the heart with googly eyes. Okay, there's 6 of each design of the pens. So there's the hearts, and then these have the hearts with a different shades of hearts on top of each other. Red, pink, and yellow. Purple lid. These have the red lid. So that's the pens, and I'm sure they probably write black. Let me get a little scrap here. Let me get a scrap and see what they write at. Oh, there's even a little protector on there that you have to remove. You know, that little piece they have on the end of pens, new pens. All right, there we go. Let's see. What color is it? Is it blue? I think it's blue. Well, that's cool. My one of my bosses in the past, one of my past employers, always, like, if he was friendly with the person, he would sign in blue because he called that the friendly color. Blue is friendly. If he was more serious and didn't like the person wear it very well, he would sign in black. Whenever I see blue now, that's what I think of. Like, oh, it's blue. It's the friendly color. Yeah. Okay, let's look at these notebooks. So they're not all the same. Looks like there's 6 and 6 of these too. Cute. Oh my goodness, this is very 70s. Very retro with that mushroom. And these too. I guess that's why I liked them, right? The rainbow swirl. They both have lines on them. You spin me round. That's a song. I'm not going to sing it. But you know, if you've ever heard it, you're singing it too. The chorus. Yep. So yeah, this is a cute little notebook. It's just starts, there's no cover. It's just paper and, just a few papers here. You got a cardboard back there, but super cute. Those would be nice to tuck into journals. I don't think they have to be, well, the record is a heart shape. That's cute. That's really cute. And these will be cute to tuck into journals. And I was going to say, I don't necessarily think they have to be saved for Valentine's Day. It could be a retro journal or, any little golden book with the colors or whatever. So, yeah, and the pens too. I'm not going to put these away in my Valentine stuff. I'm going to leave these out and put them with my little notebooks that I put into journals. And these two, this is perfect. I just kind of really love these now that I opened them up. I couldn't see the mushroom that was behind that one. So now that I see them, I might have to go back and splurge on a few of these. Yeah, I think you're going to see more of these. But here's the color on this one. You got a little color up here. And then ladybugs, different color ladybugs. And there's a mushroom with a ladybug. And it says love bug right there. And you've got those colors there and there too. So same thing, little cardboard back. And several sheets of paper. And they have lines. They're white on the back. But aren't those adorable? I just, I spent a lot of time looking at all this stuff, and Walmart had quite a bit to look at, several aisles of Valentine stuff. I looked at the candy. I didn't buy any candy. I looked at, all this kind of stuff, which took me the longest down this aisle. I just didn't want to miss anything, so I kind of really looked at it. And I love my Walmart now too, so I just wandered around I was there way too long. That's all I bought. What I just showed you at Walmart, I bought this. Oh, and if I bought anything else that's not junk journal related, I'm going to be showing it on my other channel. So if you want to see like whatever else I bought, Dollar General, Walmart. I have a few things I got at Dollar Tree too. But they're not junk journal related. I'm going to show those out on my other channel, which I'll have linked below. It's my vlog channel. And I like to show those things over there and let you know what I'm going to do with them. I found a few goodies I'm starting to collect for my granddaughter's Valentine, whatever, basket or whatever I put her little goodies in. So, yeah, so that's fun. She's only 5, so I just get her little fun thing. So at this point, it's very inexpensive. I've never spent a lot of money on gifts for Valentine's Day. I just don't. I mean, if anybody's going to be like, I would think if anybody's going to be like pro Valentine's Day, it would be me because my birthday's on Valentine's Day. And I've never spent a lot of money on Valentine's Day. Maybe because it is my birthday. Are you supposed to be spending money on me, right? I'm not supposed to be spending money on you. No, but I've always just got my kids, when they were growing up, I got them a little chocolate, heart or whatever with chocolates in it. Had that at the breakfast table and things like that. So, carrying on that tradition with my granddaughter. Just get her a few little things, a few little fun things that she can play with and have fun with for Valentine's Day. And she loves it. She's not like I want. she's not like I want this and I want that type of little girl yet. Hopefully she won't become that. So she does like Mimi's gifts though. I have spoiled her a little bit to where she thinks, where's my present, Mimi? So yeah, so I have skipped a week here and there just to keep her off balance, and she never knows what to expect from me now, so you don't want her to expect it. You don't want them to expect something every time you see them. I learned that with my own kids too. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and chatting with me today, and see you in my goodies, my few unique, goodies that I picked out, and see you in my next video. Have a great day.